Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the reading rainbows filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, you have to go here. This is the effect gallery. Here you will see a search button. Just tap there and search for space. Space. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay. So this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then you can go to discover and search for space filter. Okay, here you will see videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, so you are in the effect page now. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on it. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.